Hi everyone, it's Eileen and welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click or hit the subscribe button so you'll get updates on my newest videos. So today guys, I created the simple, summery, fresh looking, glowy makeup look because I know it's almost summertime there in the Philippines. Pero dito, it's still winter time. But dito sa bahay namin, it feels like summer. Naka-80 yung heater namin. Mas mainit pa kami sa oven guys, for sure. And mas mainit pa kami sa sikat ng araw. If you guys wanna recreate this look, just keep on watching. First, I'll be using the MAC Prep and Prime, so I'll be priming my skin to have a long-lasting adherence of any makeup products I'm going to use. Let it dry for a minute or two, and as you can see, I am using my hands to let it dry and fan it off. And now, I will be using my XoXo cream to act as my base, and I will use as little as I can just to cover some redness and some imperfections on my face. And trust me guys, when I say that you wouldn't want to layer your foundation or your CC cream, especially on summertime, because it will end up just being cakey. Now, I am going to use the warmth of my fingers to blend and spread the CC cream all over my face and just keep blending. And for my under eyes, I will be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I will be putting some products in between my eyebrow and my chin, and I will be using my ring finger to blend the product to avoid any pressure under my eye area. And for my brow, I will be using the Benefit Give Me Brow to fill in my brows because as we all know, kilay is alive. And now I am using my Laura Mercier loose powder to set my whole face, and don't forget to use the tap 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 technique to take the excess loose powder off. And since I am not blessed with curly long lashes, I rely on this Shiseido eyelash curler to give me that long curly lash effect that lasts all day long. With the help of this Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvature, I am going to apply it on my top and bottom lashes to get that full volumized fan effect look. To add some color on my face, I will be using the Go Go tint from Benefit, and I will not be directly applying it to my face, but instead putting some product on the back of my hands, and again, using the warmth of my fingers to spread the product all over my cheeks and on my nose bridge. And again, I am going to use my Laura Mercier loose powder all over my cheeks just to make it look more natural. This is optional, but if you want to make your eye pop and put some color into your lids, you're free to do so. And I'll be using a blending brush and a light brown shade eyeshadow from MAC. And to give you that extra glowy effect look, I will be using my finger to apply the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb Highlighter on the top of my cheeks, my nose bridge, and my Cupid's bow. And to top it all off, I will be finishing my look with a MAC lipstick in a shade Twig. Minsan nalilito na rin ako guys, yung mindset ko, Philippine setting, pero yung katawang lupa ko nandito sa United States na pagkalamig-lamig. Alam nyo guys, dalawa yung season namin dito sa bahay. Dito sa loob ng bahay, summer. Paglabas mo ng door, ay, winter, may snowpack, ganun. Kaloka. May lalamig tong 0 degrees, ano ba yan? So that is it, Pansit, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit or click the subscribe button so you get updates on my newest videos, and I will see you on my next one. Toodles! So that is it, Pansit, and I hope to guys see you.